Good morning student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Beta, before starting this chapter or video, I want to say you just subscribe my channel, because after subscribing my channel you just can get notification very soon. Now beta, lesson 8 is pattern. Lesson 8 में is pattern. In half yearly exam I want to say you lesson 2, lesson 5, lesson 6 and lesson 8 are coming. So lesson 2 is also completed, lesson 5 is also completed, lesson 6 is also completed recently. Now we are going to complete lesson 8 also. After completing these chapters, we are finished almost all the things, and again we are going to revise each and everything after completing this chapter. So chapter is pattern. Pattern means the sequence or the series of anything which is repeatedly comes one by one. So how can we solve this type of question? Beta, pattern is mainly two type. First is pattern in shapes. In shapes you can see many of the pattern, and second one is pattern in numbers. So in digit we can also solve the patterns in a digital form. First come to the pattern in shapes. So here these are some shapes are given. So first is triangle, second is square, third is side is 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 side figure is called pentagon. 5 side figure is called a pentagon. Now again triangle is come. So you can see triangle, square, pentagon, again triangle has come. So what the next shape should become after triangle? Again square, again pentagon, again triangle, because triangle is at the fourth place. 1 2 3 then 4. After triangle again you just put the square. So here I am making clear figure. Okay, so you can easily understand triangle, square, pentagon, triangle, square, pentagon, triangle, square. So series is completed, pattern is completed. Come to the next figure. The next figure is, this is just looking like a half circle, not exactly, but here the face is here and the tail is here, but here the face is starting from here and tail is here, so direction is changed. So the next pattern is again this type of shape. So here again shape is started, face is started from here and tail is end with here, and here the fourth figure is exactly the opposite of the third figure. That's mean the shape will be gone with the first second. So next will be the, if face is here and shape tail is finished at this side, so should be started from here and tail should be finished that in this place. Again the face should be started from here and end with this place. Again face should be started and tail should be end with this side, and now after some time the shape is started from here and end with this side. So these two figures are opposite to each other, these two figures are opposite to each other. That's mean the shape of pattern in such like that you can see. Okay, now come to the next topic, which is pattern in numbers. Now we are going to solve the question which is based on the pattern in digit. Okay, so here see what is the pattern you have to recognize after seeing these digits. First digit is 100, the next first digit is 100, next is 90. So how much number it is less than 100? minus 10 is 90. Now next is 80, and 80 is 10 less than 90, and after 80 there is 70. 70 is less 10 from the 80. So here we can see minus 10 becomes 90. In minus 90, 10 become 80, and after deducting minus 10 becomes 70. So what we have to do for the next digit? We have to minus 10 from the 70. It becomes 60. Okay, it becomes 60 because here the further digit is minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So 60. After minus 10 becomes 60, minus 10 becomes 50. After 50, just minus 10, 50 become 40. After deduct 10, 40 become 30. So next 4 series or pattern is 60, 50, 40, 30. As you can see, there is 10 digits are minus from the adjacent digits or numbers. So I hope this is clear to you. Now come to the next. Next is 8. First is 8. Next is 18. Again next is 28. The next is 38. That means we are watching this 8 in unit place. 8, 8, 8, 8 is same. But the difference is how many place? Tens place. Here tens place is nothing. But here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. So as we can see, there is 10, 10 plus. In 8 when you add 10 become 18. In 18 when you add 10 become 28. And in 28 when you add 10 become 38. So what would be the next digit? The next digit would be after adding 38 becomes 48. After adding 10 becomes 58. After adding plus 10 becomes 68, and after adding plus 10 becomes 78. So the next series is 8, 18, 28, 38. The next series is 48, 58, 68, 17. So this is increasing order of 10, 10, 10. This series is increasing order of 10, 10, 10, and this series was decreasing order of 10, 10, 10. And this two types of question is very easy. But when it is very easy, when you see the question and observe how many pattern it is following. After that it is very easy. Now beta, come to the next point. Okay, horse. I am going to solve two question of horse also, because in horse questions are combination of alphabets and numbers, and the next which is C is based on only alphabets, but the pattern is something difficult, or you can say something different. So first question is A5, B10, C15, D20. So first is A5. A5 means A, B, C, D is here. So what should be the next alphabets is A, B, C, D is given, then E, F, G also is, it will be the alphabets of this series. Now come to the digits form. 5, 10, 15, 20. What you can see here? You can see this is a table of 5. 5, 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. So next digit should be 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35. So next three pattern of this question is E25, F30, G35. I hope it is clear. Now come to the C question. This question is based on the only alphabet, but the pattern is something different. So first is A, B, C, next is X, Y, Z, again B, C, D, again W, X, Y. So here we can see here A, B, C and B, C, D. These are the pattern of the starting part of the alphabets. But here X, Y, Z and W, X, Y is the ending part of the alphabet. So we will write here, here and here, here and here also, because if there is in page number 81 in miscellaneous question only three fill in the blanks are given. So we can solve here first and third as given pattern from there. So first is, if first is ABC, then XYZ, then BCD. So we will consider first ABC. Here ABC is given, then BCD is given. So ABC, but here A is missing, BC is here, but D is extra after the BC. So what should be next here? CD. Write down here C, D and E, because here B will be removed and E will be add the further alphabet of C, D, E. If here C, D, E add, then here what we have to write here? D, E. Here we will remove the C, write down the next part of D, E and add the next of E. Here should be F. Okay. A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, F. This is completed. Now only one is incompleted. So we will complete. So just see here. X, Y, Z is here. Then W, X, Y means here the back alphabet is missing and it is adding the further digit of further alphabet of the alphabet part of the thing. So X, Y, Z, W, X, Y. So here Z is missing, X, Y is here, but Z is missing. So here we will write the V, W, X. Okay, because Z, Y, Z, X is missing, V, W, X. So here it is completed, and you can solve many more questions from the book also. Page number 81 it is given. And if you have any problem or any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask me in doubt session. Till that time, beta, practice these questions and subscribe my channel, because after completing this exercise or this chapter, we will practice more and more question referring to the half yearly exam. Till that time, beta, bye.